Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Today, explore stunning woodworking ideas that transform your living space. From rustic beds to modern racks, discover creative handmade furniture that combines functionality with artistic craftsmanship, elevating your home decor to new heights with unique, personalized touches. Start with handcrafted wooden beds that blend comfort and style effortlessly. Using reclaimed wood or sleek polished planks. These beds can feature intricate headboard designs or minimalist frames. The natural grain and texture of wood add warmth and character, making your bedroom a cozy, inviting retreat. Wooden racks are functional decor pieces that help organize your living areas beautifully. From wall-mounted wine racks to open shelving units, these pieces can be crafted with different wood finishes. Add hooks or compartments to maximize storage while maintaining an aesthetic appeal that complements your interior style. Stools with innovative designs, such as geometric shapes or layered wood pieces, bring a modern touch to traditional craftsmanship. Experiment with different wood stains and finishes to match your decor. These DIY projects are easy to customize, offering both style and practicality to your home environment. Wooden racks can also serve as art installations when creatively designed. Think of hanging geometric shelves or asymmetric wall-mounted units. Use contrasting wood tones or combine different textures to create visual interest. These pieces not only organize but also serve as focal points in any room. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.